Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling something super useful. How to create a presentation that looks just like a PowerPoint, but using Google Slides, since Google Docs is more for documents. Don't worry, this is easy and free, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're signed into your Google account. Head over to drive.google.com. Once you're there, look for the plus new button on the left side. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, select Google Slides. This will open a blank presentation or let you choose from cool templates. Pick one that fits your style to save time. Now, let's build your slides. In the main editing area, you'll see your first slide. To add more, go to the menu and click Slide. Then, New Slide, or just use the plus icon. Type in your title and content directly into the boxes provided. Want to make it pop? Use the toolbar to change fonts, colors, and sizes. For example, highlight text and pick a bold color to emphasize key points. Next, jazz it up with images or charts. Click Insert in the top menu. Then choose Image to upload photos from your computer or search the web. If you need a chart, select Chart and pick your type, like a pie chart for data visuals. Remember, keep it simple and engaging to hold your audience's attention. Once you're happy with your slides, it's time to share or export. Click File. Greater than Share to invite collaborators or get a link. If you need it in PowerPoint format, go to File, greater than Download, greater than Microsoft PowerPoint. And there you have it. That's how you make a professional-looking presentation on Google Slides in 2025. It's quicker than you think and perfect for students, teachers, or anyone on the go. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.